Could this be the end of Photoshop? Is this better than Photoshop? What does it mean for the Photoshop monthly subscription? In this short video, I look at the alternative to Photoshop and answer the question whether it spells the end to Adobe Photoshop. If you're new here or you've stumbled across this channel and you've not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you don't want to miss a single video, hit the bell icon and you'll be notified when I release new videos. I release weekly videos on tips, tools, and strategies to help you get online with video. Right, let's get started and have a look. It's February the 19th, 1990, and Adobe Photoshop is officially released to the public for Mac and Windows. Since then, it has been the industry standard for photographers, graphic designers, and creators. It's the tool used to help creators manipulate photos for print and online. Millions of thumbnails are created using Adobe Photoshop. There's even a term coined after it. It's been photoshopped. Since the launch of Adobe Photoshop, there hasn't really been any other software that comes close. Sure, there's been others such as GIMP, Affinity Photo, Pixelmator Pro, Corel, to name a few. However, these have a steep learning curve and some of those have a one-off cost. Introducing PhotoPea. PhotoPea is the closest thing ever to Photoshop. PhotoPea is totally free. The other great thing about PhotoPea is that it's web-based, so you can use it from any browser, no software to download. For example, if you had a Chromebook or any other computer, you can just go to photopea.com and start using it straight away. There is nothing to install. The interface is very similar to Photoshop, as you can see here. Here's Photoshop and here's PhotoPea. As I said, there's no steep learning curve. You can use your existing PSD files. You can save your files like PSD, JPEGs, PNGs, and others. For example, if I load a PSD from Photoshop, it will load all my existing layers straight into PhotoPea. How good is that? For the first time, a real alternative to Photoshop. No monthly fee, no one-off cost, no software to download and install, always up to date. Simply go to photopea.com, start using it, create some amazing thumbnails, cut out images. Hey, wait, actually, there's an easier way to cut out images. If you've not watched my video on the fastest way ever to cut out backgrounds, it's in the card above here. You can watch that video. It takes less than 5 seconds to cut yourself out. So you can save a lot of time. You can use that program, remove.bg, to remove the background image simply, then bring it into PhotoPea and then add it to your thumbnail. That way, saving you heaps of time. That will speed up your creation of thumbnails. PhotoPea is a fresh new way to edit photos or create your YouTube thumbnails. Any computer, you can even use it from tablets. Go check out PhotoPea, give it a try. And if you like videos like this one and videos about tips on apps and strategies and how you can get online with video, consider subscribing. If you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. I make weekly videos to help entrepreneurs, businesses, individuals, and creators just like yourself get online with video. Since then, it has been the industry the photographers first. Photographers, Steve, you. Since then, it has been. I'm starting to sweat now. What's going on, man? I wasn't even hot when I started.